Hello friends, in this problem a rectangle is given. So this is ABCD. So this is a rectangle and inside this rectangle we have a triangle. This EZF is a right angle triangle and this angle is 90 degree. We have been given this length, that is BF is equals to 3 unit and FC this is equals to 2 unit. And we have been also given that this side is equal to this side. This means EG is equals to GF. Now we have to find area of this triangle, that is EZF. What is the area of this triangle? How will you solve this problem? Now to solve this problem I will do some construction and I will use idea of congruent triangles. So let us try to see how we can solve this problem. So the first thing I can say in this case, this length BC is equals to BF plus FC. So this is 3 and this is 2. So this BC is equals to 5 unit. So BC is basically equals to BF, that is this length, plus CF, that is this length. So this means this is 3 plus 2, that is 5 unit. Now let us draw a perpendicular from point E on side DC. So this is the perpendicular EP on side DC. This means this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, this angle will also be 90 degree because this is an angle on a line. So this angle is 90 degree. Now this angle is 90, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. This has to be 90 degree because sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. So this plus this is 270. So this has to be 90 degree. And why these are 90? Because ABCD is a rectangle. Now this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle all are equal to 90 degree. This means now I can say AEPD is a rectangle. So from here I have a result that AEPD is a rectangle. Now ABCD is a rectangle. This means this length is equals to this length because these two are sides, parallel sides. Now AEPD is also a rectangle. This means this length is equals to this length, that is this is also equals to 5 unit. So AD is equals to EP and both are equal to 5 unit. So this length is equals to 5 unit. Now let us consider this triangle and this triangle. So this is triangle PEZ. So this is the triangle PEZ and CGF. So CGF is this triangle. Now in these two triangles, angle PEZ is equals to angle CGF. So this is PEZ and this is CGF. So this angle and this angle are equal. This can be proved. So let us say this angle is alpha and this angle is 90. So this angle has to be 90 minus alpha because sum of all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now this angle is 90. So this plus this has to be 90 because these all are basically making a straight line. So sum of the angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. So this is 90. This means sum of this plus this is equals to 90 and this is already 90 minus alpha. So this has to be alpha. Now this is 90. So this plus this has to be 90 because this makes an angle of a triangle. So sum of all these angles is equals to 180. So this is already 90. So this plus this has to be 90 and this is alpha. So this will be 90 minus alpha. So now this means this angle is equals to this angle. And we already know in these two triangles this is EPZ, that is EPZ, and this is equals to GCF, that is 90 degree. So this angle is equals to this angle and both are equal to 90 degree. And this side EZ is equals to ZF, that is given in the problem. So these two sides are equal. So from angle, side, angle, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So triangle PEZ, that is this triangle, is congruent with triangle CZF, that is CZF. So now from here I can say length PE is equals to length CZ, because these two triangles are congruent. So you can see from here also this length PE, first two letter, that is PE is equals to CZ, because P corresponds to C, E corresponds to Z and G corresponds in this case with F. So PE is equals to CG and both length are equal to 5 unit. Now let us consider triangle CZF, that is this triangle. Now I know this length is 5 unit and this length is 2 unit. I can use Pythagoras theorem to calculate this length. So from Pythagoras theorem, this is the hypotenuse. So FG square is equals to CG square plus FC square or CF square. So FG square is equals to CG square plus CF square. So FG square equals to, this length is 5 unit because we have shown this. So this is GC square, that is CG square, because CG, GC both are same. This is 5 square and CF is 2 units, so 2 square, that is 29. So FG is equals to a square root 29. So now I know this length, that is a square root 29. But in the problem it is given that this length is equals to this length. This means EG is also equals to under root 29. So area of right angle triangle can be given by half times base times height. This means I can write EZ times ZF and then I have to multiply with half. So this is half times under root 29 times under root 29. So this is 29 divided by 2. So the area of this shaded triangle is 29 divided by 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.